So hey there, this is Bakari Shivanu with Mac Automation Tips. I'm back with another video about Amazing Marvin. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about the affirmation strategy and how you can use that to get some daily Marvin tips and tricks in your day view. So stick around and check it out. Okay, so basically in Amazing Marvin, they have a thing called the affirmation strategy, and basically what it does is it can show some affirmation that you come up with, and you can show it in your day view. Let's take a look at it real quick. So in my day view right now, here's the affirmation that it will look like. It says, "Perfection is the enemy of the good," right? So that's an affirmation, and you can put, you can create whatever kind of affirmations you want, or mottos or whatever you want in there. You can add also little emojis or what have you in there. And so basically you go to that strategy. So let's just go to strategies by pressing the key S, and we're going to look up affirmations right here. So you want to enable that. It's probably not able, and then you're going to go to settings here, and you'll see that I've already kind of inserted some affirmations inside of here, right? And again, you can come up with your own. I don't think they have a default set, but you can come up with whatever you want to do by just adding, clicking the add button and typing in your affirmation. You can also do a bulk add, so you can write, like several of them here, and then basically once you do that, each one of these will show up every day. So one will show, this one will show first day, second day, etc., right? And so that's how you do it. And you can also kind of click on here, and you can change the size if you want to and make it larger, and you can add the emojis there, right? So that's how you do the affirmations, and they'll just show up on your day view, right? But here's the thing, you can get rid of these too. So we're gonna get rid of these. Okay, because I really don't need those. But if I was still kind of learning Marvin, and let's see, oh, there it is. Okay, so all right, so let's go here. If I was still learning Amazing Marvin, I would use this right here. So I want to put in, I came up with a set of tips and tricks for using Amazing Marvin. So I'm going to import those in here, and we're going to get rid of this one right here. We don't need it. So now what I have is a set of tips and tricks here. So it says create a new task and type load template. Create a new project and type load to load save projects, right? And you don't have to use this one, just whatever you want to come up with. Press Shift plus spacebar on your keyboard to open the quick jump menu, right? Create fast buttons. That's a strategy for frequently used tasks. Set up custom squares to link to Marvin's internal features and external links. Outside of Marvin, press Command plus Control plus A to trigger the global command task window, or right-click on the Marvin icon in the dock and select Add Task, or click Shift plus the forward slash, I think it is, to get an overview of the Marvin shortcuts. Press W key to open the week view. Use the hover button strategy to configure buttons and actions that appear when you hover over a task. So basically all these strategies, now you can look these, if you don't know what these strategies mean, you can look them up into the Marvin help guide. So, but basically you can put in whatever things that you want to remember about using Marvin, or anything really. You can put whatever you want in there, but these are the things you can do. And I'm gonna paste these in the comment section below if you want to use some of these for your own reminders there. So once that's done, before we leave here, I want to also show you something else. So you're going to go to hints here. Okay, and I want you to turn on hints, and I'm going to show you why that's set up as well. So if you go into hints and you put this little, this should be in there by default, so it'd be the $ affirmation, and I'm going to show you what that will do. So you can also write down any hints that you want to appear as well, but that's just another strategy here. But I'm going to show you why this is useful right now. So you're going to have hints and all right, so now we go over here, and you'll see that our strategy, click Shift plus / to get an overview of the Marvin shortcuts. So if you do that, right, and we just go here, that's the Marvin shortcuts we're talking about, right? So you can look any of these up in the Marvin guide. Again, you know, put the ones that you really want to remember and know about. Now, so that's how you do that. And you can also go back and if you click over here, you can either get rid of it, you can copy it, or you can go back directly to the strategy and, you know, clean them up or add some more or what have you. All right. Here's the thing though, too, with the hints, when you add a task, if you want, you can have this kind of hit this tip show up here just to kind of remind you. So that might be a little bit of a distraction, but I'm just showing you how far you can go with this, right? And so you can kind of get another reminder of some things that you can do in Marvin. So that's really, I think it's a really great idea. I think I did use it a little bit when I was learning Marvin. I don't really need it now, but if you're starting off with Marvin, this might be a great way to kind of like, you know, start learning some of the things that you want to remember, because there's tons of strategies and shortcuts and tips that you can learn in Marvin. It takes time to do it, and this might be a useful way to do that. So let me know if you like this, this tip or this strategy or what have you, and if you have any strategies that you think are really useful or tips that should be that I can pass along to, you know, other users. Let me know that and put them in the comment section. Okay, I really appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by, and see you next time. Take care.